Welcome friends on my channel Management Redesigned, Learn to Gain. In the series of discussion on research methodology, this video discusses on concepts of data. It also covers types of data. So let's start it. For any research, data is very important. Data is numerical figure. It is expressed numerically. Data is obtained by measurement. For example, data of employees on medical expenses by the employers. Employers incur medical expenses on their employees. They are interested to know the figure of medical expenses. It is useful to compare year after year data to compare the medical expenses. Similarly, a data of male and female students. A university prepares data related to male and female students in each department and in each course. Data collection is objective-based gathering of information. It is collected to attain some objectives. It is done to fulfill objectives of research. Since it is based on some objectives, it is foundation of any research. Data is collection of factual information like financial figures of steel companies. In this case, data is collected systematically. It may be collected for several years. It can be numerically expressed. There are two types of data, primary data and secondary data. We will discuss it one by one. Primary data is original and it is collected for the first time. It is collected by the researchers for the purpose of the study. Primary data gives accurate results in the research. It is based on the objectives of the research. Hence, it gives reliable and suitable results for the research. Primary data collection is expensive and time consuming. Secondary data. It is another type of data for a research. Secondary data has been collected by any other researcher for his own purpose. Secondary data is already published. Secondary data has been collected for any other purpose by other researcher, institutions and practitioners. For example, export-import data of India, Census of India, inflation data, RBI data on banking industry. These data has been collected by government for her own purpose. Anyone can use these data for his study. A researcher who wants to analyze the trade between India and USA for the last 10 years can use these data. Secondary data is readily available. It is less costly as compared to primary data. It is less costly because it is easier to collect. It takes less time to collect secondary data. There are some limitations of secondary data. It is hard to prune data for the purpose of the study. Secondary data may be outdated. It may not be useful for the purpose of the study. So friends, if you like this video, press like, comment and share, and also subscribe to my channel Management Redesigned, Learn to Gain.